Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like email labeling and transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on the side. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Remotasks or how you can earn money from Remotasks actually. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Remotasks. Then you will find here this results. You click over here, or you can just here type it in the top, remotasks.com. Then you'll find the homepage. I already have an account, that's why it will appear like that. If you already have an account and you sign in, and if you don't have an account, you have just to start your inscription by adding your email address and your password. And you'll find the homepage or this account like that. So we have welcome back Khalid, and this is my account. As you can see, to start tasking, you click over here and you'll find another page, which is this one, which is your task here is currently empty. And if when I'm back to the dashboard after reading this information, you click over here and let's come back right now. And we have also other things that we have to know about remote tasks. Firstly, which is the definition. What is remote tasks, how it works with remote tasks, how you can get started with remote tasks. You have just to stick around until the end because I will give you all guides that you want or all the steps that you need to know about this platform. Firstly, Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After signing up, completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So right now I will show you how you can get started. Firstly, I will give you a briefly how you can use this platform, and then I will just here give you more and more information about remote tasks and how we can use remote tasks. Firstly, so remote tasks, after you're signing up for remote tasks, you have just to start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. The training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image, labeling, or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money. And the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have to access to. You can work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for new tasks and start earning. So all you have to do right now is just come back to the dashboard because I will here show you some information. Firstly, we have remote tasks tires progress tracker. So we have here this like just something or some to-do list or something like that that you have to do. Then once you're done, you will get your money. And also you have here a log about XP. So what does mean XP and what is remote task status progress? So let's just click over learn more here and you will find another page, which is this one. Firstly, we have what is the remote task status program. So let's just know firstly is a new loyalty program built to reward and recognize our top taskers on the platform. Top taskers in the remote tasks status program will receive various additional benefits. And here we have also the benefits. You can just read it if you want. And right now let's just move into the point that we need, which is how do we join the program and how do I earn remote points and what is XP work. So this one is very important in this website or this platform. Firstly, we have here, if we want to here getting started, you will need to earn a certain amount of remote points in a period of time to qualify. Once you join any of the tiers, you will start receiving the benefits for that tier. So firstly, we have standard tier, and you become preferred tire. Then we have here preferred tire to elite tire. So we have here once you become a preferred, you will have to change the chance to start working towards becoming an elite tire tasker to receive even more benefits. Then we have membership of the program is conditioned to constant quality reviews, and queue managers have the ability to remove spammers and taskers with bad quality. And we have also here how do I earn remote points, which is important with remote points, and we have XP work. So let's know firstly what is remote point and what is XP work. So the first new concept we want to introduce to you is experience points. Is the abbreviation is XP. So what does mean XP? XP is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. Every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. So the question that's roll over in our mind, which is how much XP you will get after your work. So let's just read in this information simply and easily to more understand. So firstly, we have remote point. What is remote point? Each week you will have an XP goal, and if you meet it will be able to earn emo points. Standard taskers will be able to earn 1 emo points when they reach 3500 XP in 1 week. I think you understand what I mean. Then we have also here this one. So here we have the first to do that. It's done. You will just here find it like that in your dashboard. Then we have right now preferred and elite taskers will earn 1 emo point when they reach 3500 XP in 1 week, in addition to an extra 2 emo points when they reach 10,000 XP in that same week. As you can see, we have the examples right now. Since you earned 4 points in this week, you will continue to maintain your status. Then we have also here elite higher taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. About this one, we will find here this means that preferred and elite taskers can earn up to 40 more points in 1 week. So I think it's more. We have here a various bonuses and a various money. So we have here 1, 2, and 3, and we have the fourth one, right? So then we have other information, how does MTQ support work, and other things. Also, we have your bonuses, how you can get started with the bonuses, first bonus, second, third, and fourth bonuses. So we have bonus structure. Elite tier taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. The amount of bonus will depend on the total XP they accumulate each week. So if we come back right now and to the dashboard, you will find one thing here important, which is here you can earn up to $21 per week in bonuses by participating in our RTO programs. So here we have other thing which is onboarding. About this one, we'll find one point that I already mentioned, which is how we can work by using this platform. Yes, we know XP, we know remote points, but the point here that we need is how you can work, then you will get your money or your XP, then you will earn money from this platform. So let's just click it over onboarding, and we have also here missions and we have bonuses. So it's very clear, you have just to practice and be patient, then you will earn money after getting your or get your experience as well. So we have data collection if you want this one, such as generic data collection. Then we have content and language categorization, text highlighting, or transcription. You have to do if today we have image annotation, image segmentation, video annotation. We have a 3D, later annotation, later segmentation. You have just to select the one you want. Also, we have here in the right Remotask boot camps. You have just to click over sign up to get started, and then you have to add firstly Remotask email, full legal name secondly, personal email thirdly, and we have also here WhatsApp contact info, people email address as well, country, and we have also for example computer specifics and some information about your computer before getting started, and you click register after you're done. All right, so also we have here sign up for free boot camp. Here we have how we can do that. And right now let's just come back here and getting started with this platform, which is Remotask. Of course, you have to be patient, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, after months, but of course I am sure that you will earn money after all that, because Remotasks is very easy by using the bonuses and the missions as well, and also by after here reading all this information and you search after researching. So you know, making money, it's not easy. You have to work and work and work. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.